Yo, what's good guys? Today we have a new fitness finance protocol, a new move to earn token which has actually blasted through some crazy all-time highs already. And if we just look at some of the price action at the moment, we can see we had a nice euphoric top here of $0.73 before taking a slight retracement back down to support level at 0.55 cents as we trade in this ascending channel. Now I want to show you this project because one, I want to give you a bit of a review as well as a price prediction, because I think this is going to be a huge trend leading in to the summer as the play to earn and the move to earn metaverse projects are growing and trending more and more. Now I just want to say straight off the bat, there's one thing I really don't like about this project, and to be honest, it's the name of it. I just think the fact it's called Step App kind of rips off its competitor a little bit, like STEPN. I mean, you look at Coca-Cola and Pepsi, or car brands, none of them sound similar. They're all very different, but because they sound so similar, I feel like only one of these coins can really take the spotlight. There's going to be a lot of crossover and a lot of confusion between these two. However, Step App is a new project. It's a micro cap gem, $165 million market cap at the moment, and you can actually see, upon doing a bit of research, we can find this in the Reddit threads. Step App crypto FITFI, so that means fitness finance. They're trying to create their own slogan here, similar to like Defi or GameFi. So we can see seeing huge gains as move to earn industry picks up steam. And as you scroll down a little bit, you can see some people that got in nice and early. This guy here got in at 0.26. Let's see what happens next. Saw the roadmap too. So people are extremely bullish for this particular project. And to be fair, after seeing what STEPN GMT has done, I think the money is starting to flow out of that particular project, and if this current Step App actually is superior and offers more immersivity, more yield farming, and more potential returns, I can imagine the money is going to flow from GMT STEPN into the Step App. So let's have a look at the website, shall we? I mean, it's a beautiful website. Really interactive. I think it looks fantastic. As you scroll down, you kind of see this NFT moon guy sort of running along some sort of spacey land, and yeah, it looks really nice. So reimagine your fitness. Step App turns fitness goals into income, social joy, friendly communication, and competition. We can see here fitness and crypto for all, one step at a time. 153,000 users are currently already connected, and we're getting a little sneak peek of the app here. You've got some NFTs as well, which looks like the actual trainers, the different trainers with the different trainer ID on the side over here. So they do look extremely nice just scrolling through. As we scroll down a little bit, we've got the roadmap. Q4 2021, we've already had the team set up, project ideation. Q1 2022, we've had the product specs, roadmap establishment, UI, UX, and now we're leading into the Q2 2022 Genesis NFTs beta launch. After this, we're going to have the mainnet launch, the NFT marketplace. There's going to be interoperability. We might see this project on more ecosystems. Now, another thing I think so important with all of these new projects, because a lot of things are just rug pulls and scams. Well, we've got full transparency here. We've got Kirill Volgin, we've got Dmitry Gordichuk, Robert Vakoza, some of the big people behind this particular project, and we also have some advisors as well. So many professionals, behind the scenes, also working and contributing to this amazing project. I also want to show you, on their memorandum page, Step is a development protocol for FITFI, fitness finance, and this is a nice little image of a trainer. Looks like it could possibly be an NFT or something really cool like that. Step App is the first app on the protocol built by the core team. The NFT economy has ushered a variety of altcoin sector bull runs. The most prominent of these have been dominance of the GameFi and metaverse products for much of the 2021. FITFI is at the cross section of making the physical and the digital. It's a culmination of a very physical experience, fitness within the metaverse through the use of NFTs and geolocation technology. Augmented reality for better immersion is an added feature of StepFi's FITFI metaverse. So this is awesome. I mean, you can literally go outside, have a run, you can earn cryptocurrency. Now, why is that worrying in some ways? If you can just superfluously earn this crypto just by moving over and over, the likelihood that you're going to sell this cryptocurrency to just put straight into the bank is quite high. So there's going to be quite a lot of selling pressure. There needs to be some deflationary aspect to attract me into this project. I think what really attracts me at the moment is the fact that the market cap is still relatively low, and that is quite important for me personally. So Step App is creating a gamified metaverse for the fitness economy. Walk, jog and run to socialize, play and earn. It is the next joint frontier in the metaverse and GameFi market, and an embodiment of physical experiences tied with the metaverse. So very exciting. and I think the app looks really cool. You can see here the AVAX plus 0.32, 14.15 on energy. It's got some statistics here that you can actually look at, and I want to show you something as well. There is actually a staking opportunity. If we go to the staking page, we can have a look exactly what this is about. So STEP app perpetual staking. The STEP app staking dashboard offers the first of its kind perpetual staking. You stake once to get access to any opportunities that come, loot boxes, yield, sponsored sneak drops, and pretty much everything else. So the staking campaign begins with the loot boxes. Rather than sell the first NFTs to the community, they maintain the community-centric approach and offer these for free to the early adopters. So you can stake FITFI, earn drop tickets. For every 100 FITFI staked per 24 hours, you earn 1 DT starting from. At the end of the loot box event, a snapshot is taken and a lottery takes place. Loot boxes are awarded. So you've also got like a crypto games and giveaway element to this particular project, as well as being able to stake and capitalize more crypto. You get bonus drop tickets for higher stakes, but no single address can win more than 5 loot boxes. Loot boxes contain sneaks, skins, and avatar badges. The probability of a loot box is giving a sneak is 35%. Events keep looping. So this is really, really nice. You do not need to restake for future events. This staking is perpetual and rolls over to the next event automatically. The staking is flexible and has no lock. You can leave whenever you like. Staking does have a short-term cooldown period of 14 days, however. So if you get early into this project, it could look pretty awesome. Go to the staking page, just see how that actually looks. We're going to connect our MetaMask. Just why not? Let's just see how it looks. Always curious. Switch network. Are we on the right one? I think we're on the right one. So here it is. 0 drop tickets, getting 0 per day. And this is where you approve your FITFI, I suppose, and that's quite interesting. So this is their very simple but very, very easy to follow page on the staking side of things, so don't forget about that as well. STEP app token economy includes staking, locks, liquidity incentives, buybacks, and burns. These are driven by demand drawn by both gameplay perks and the value from the game economy. So yeah, it just looks amazing. I really, really like this. Really do like this. The whole project just attracts me a lot. We can see here we've got the total distribution of 5 billion tokens, marketing, acquisition and licenses, partners, advisors, consultants, the team, mining, move to earn, staking, liquidity, incentives, and the public as well. Make sure you check out the light paper on this project, guys. Do your own research, because I'm just a guy that makes YouTube videos. So what's happening at the moment? STEP app is $0.67. I'm going to give you a little bit of a price prediction of where I think this can go. I personally am bullish on the fact that we've got a very, very big trading volume and a relatively small market cap. So if we look, compare it to STEPN, this is a $1.6 billion market cap. So if we were to do a 10x and have 1.6 billion as well, you'd be looking at a $6.70 STEP app coin. That could potentially happen. Now, similar to GMT, we had a rising wedge formation, which we did actually break that rising wedge. On the macro scale, we corrected down just to 0.382. Now, FITFI or STEP app, I don't know what to call it at this point. So far, we haven't had a major correction and we're in a nice ascending channel. Now, what's happening upon each swing high to swing low? We can see on this particular one here, we come up to our 1.272 target. Now, if we are to repeat history here and come up to 1.272, we'll be looking at a next swing high. If we do break out of this rising wedge pattern to the upside, we'll be looking at around $0.76 as our next price target. You can see also on this impulse from here, we corrected perfectly just at 0.5 Fibonacci. On the previous impulse as well, we corrected around our 0.618 Fibonacci, but we did have a volatility wick, and I think that was because of the rest of the mayhem in the market. So really, you're still looking at a 0.5 Fibonacci correction around about there. So I do believe that we can get some big gains for this particular project. If we break out of this ascending channel as well, that's when things are going to look extremely bullish. If we take the actual length of this, the technical target is around $1.08. If we do break out of this key resistance at 0.82 cents, it could very well happen. Now, looking at the hourly time frame, we don't have any bearish divergences on the hourly time frame. As you see, the price is coming down, the RSI comes down with it, so it does look relatively healthy. And I think we're going to see some continuation to the upside with this particular project, as we're getting a very nice trajectory: swing high, swing low, swing high, high, swing low. We need to retest the 0.68 resistance, and I think we're going to break up to around $0.8 in the very, very near future. So do keep your eye on this project. It looks fantastic, like I say. STEPN, $1.6 billion. It's a direct competitor. We can most definitely catch up to this project. Rank 61. Of course, STEP app right now, FITFI, is ranked 278, but we're getting a lot of volume. There's a lot of eyes on the project, and I think it does have a massive, massive potential in the move to earn cryptocurrency space. So yeah, what do you all think, guys? Let me know down in the comments. I want to know what you think. Are you going to invest in this particular project? Do you think it looks like it's got as much potential as GMT? I really like the staking element. I like that it's a low market cap, but I want to see more movement, I want to see more activity, and I want to feel that hype and that people are really believing in the project. I think it looks fantastic. There's no way to say it doesn't. Really easy to follow, read, and yeah, the price structure does look bullish right now. We're putting through higher lows, we're putting through higher highs. We did just get a slight roll over here, but it's nothing really major to worry about. Daily time frame, it just looks like one big green stick. But I think, you know, looking at what's happened, we had this perfect symmetrical triangle, bull flag, broke out. Again, you could argue maybe this is a bit of an ascending channel, possibly even a big macro bull pennant. So I do think FITFI is going to moon soon. I don't want to be a moon boy, but I am very bullish on this throughout the summer, throughout the rest of the year. I think this micro cap is going to go a very, very long way because we're just at 165 million market capitalization. Anyhow, guys, I just wanted to say, if you're new to my channel, please head over to my Twitter in the description down below if you want to enter my $100 giveaway. Really, really easy. Subscribe to the channel as well if you want to automatically enter. Come say hello as well in the Discord, which is just over here. So make sure you come say hi in the Discord channel. There's about 220 people here as well, and I really appreciate your support. I'm just a guy that likes to make videos to help the community, help people learn about financial, you know, opportunities, prosperity, cryptocurrency, staking, and how we can use the blockchain technology to maximize our financial earnings. Of course, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. Bye now.